Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. We finally have a live hands-on leak for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, confirming the new feature that we all wanted to see before we get started. So let me know in the comments what you most want to see from the new Z Fold 5, and don't forget to stay up to date with all of the latest tech. So first story of the day, before we get into the hands-on reveal, we have got the Galaxy Z Fold 5 appearing on Geekbench 6. It got a single core score of 1845 and then a multiple score of 5083, and of course these scores should improve with further optimization, but they are good score and pretty much what we'd expect from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Unfortunately, it does not really confirm much else apart from the presence of 12 GB RAM. Now we have also had the full specs leaked by Snopitech on Twitter, and he confirmed that the previous information we have had is correct. So that's a 7.6-inch 120Hz internal display with a resolution of 2176 by 1812. We want a 6.2-inch 120Hz internal display with a resolution of 2316 by 904. We get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 12 GB of RAM with up to 512 gig storage, and it's all powered by a 4400 mAh battery, and it's running One UI 5.1.1. We have got a 50 megapixel primary camera along with a 10 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide. Then for the selfies, we have got a 5 megapixel under display camera and a 10 megapixel punch hole camera. Next we have got a tweet from Ice Universe, and he unfortunately confirmed that despite early rumors of no crease in the center of the Z Fold 5, Samsung was not able to improve this, and there will still be one. Given the new water drop style hint, there should be minor improvements to the crease, but unfortunately it will still be visible. Now we have also got more bad news from Ice Universe, as he says the Z Fold 5 does not meet the IP58 standard, and this means it won't be dust proof and is going to continue to have an IPX8 water resistant rating. Finally, before we check out the hands-on, we have got the good news that the Z Fold 5 is going to be priced less than its predecessor, and legal Vagnus has tweeted to say that while the Flip remains the same price, the Z Fold 5 is going to see a slight reduction compared to last year, and it's expected to drop by up to $100, and this means that the Z Fold 5 could be launching from 1,699 US. So it's great news for those looking to purchase it. Maybe this is part of the reason that the device that looks so similar to its predecessor. Next we have got the first hands-on reveal of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which confirm a lot of the rumors were correct, and the renders I have created for you are also correct. Now the leaked device that comes from Apple Porter, who's posted multiple images of a real life Z Fold 5, and the first thing you are going to notice is that it finally falls completely flat thanks to the new water drop hinge. The next photo confirms that there is a slight change to the camera module. The LED flash has moved from inside the module to the top right hand side next to it, and the photo also confirms the presence of 3 microphones and a stereo loudspeaker thanks to multiple speaker grills. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.